Hey, this is Digital Professor from Digital Pakistan YouTube channel. Today I am going to teach you the most important lesson in our free digital marketing courses, which is to defining your business and your target audience. This is a very important part of the whole digital marketing process, because what we are doing now in this section will relate it to what we are learning in full rest of the course, whether it is content marketing, social media, and advertising. Before we start, let me request you, if you are new to our channel, then like and subscribe and press the bell icon so that you will be notified immediately about these powerful videos. Please also share with friends and family members to increase their digital marketing knowledge as well as help us in our mission to spread the knowledge. Let's get started. I can understand many of you watching my videos must be excited to make viral videos, getting all the attraction and likes on Instagram, putting ads on social media that forward the potential customers to products and services and want to make huge sales. Yes, you will get there, but these exercises will help you understand not only who you are as a business, also your potential audience, and how can you serve them better. Defining your business. This is the most important part where 90% of businesses make mistakes, especially the startups, which is crucial to your success. The critical questions to understand this is follows. What are you doing to make the world a better place? And in addition, what problem are you solving? The best answer or example I want to give is to think about my channel Digital Pakistan. Here a look at it as a problem. When coronavirus COVID-19 pandemic appeared, it actually strict students to attend the courses at school. Courses were expenses. Small businesses got badly struck financially, especially if they were selling their products offline and have little or no knowledge of selling digitally or via social media. If you notice, most of the businesses are getting online, so tough competition exists to sell something online. Now look at the solution. You can learn free digital marketing courses at your own pace, high quality content, and grow your business as an entrepreneur. Get a high demanding job. Help your client succeed in this challenging situation. After you come up with your problem and solution, come up with a mission statement. Let's take an example from us. For Digital Pakistan YouTube channel, the world would be a better place if people could learn digital marketing skills absolutely free of charge to grow their businesses, get a high demanding job, promising career with personal skills. This will also be beneficial to the consumers. They will get more offers and competition will drop the prices. Now you got the information. It is time to implement. Write down the problem you are solving, the solution you have, then problem solution statement for your business. The world would be a better place if? What? You have to fill the rest. Thank you for watching this lesson. Stay tuned for the upcoming video, next one soon, about the brand purpose with some case studies on which we will learn together how companies are maintaining a brand identity with core values. Please like the video and subscribe the channel if you have not done yet. You can also comment. If you need any further clarifications, we will try to reply you as soon as possible. Stay home, stay safe, have a great learning.